Let's get acting with Professor Big Brain, CupCake the Cow, and the puppet players. It's Characters from the Cauldron. This episode, Act Like Witches.
A witch! Excellent. First, let's cackle. Now, let's act like witches. Fly on your broomsticks. Let's dance like witches.
Great job!
That surely was fun, and you had some great ghoulish grooves yourself. You know, Halloween certainly is going to be wonderful this year, and I want you to all have a happy and safe Halloween. You know, that's all the time CupCake and I have for today's workshop. But if you want to see more, we've got plenty of Professor Big Brain's acting workshop episodes available. So please join us once again. But until then, we'll see you all next time. And remember, have a happy Halloween. This is Professor Big Brain and CupCake the Cow saying bye-bye for now.